Removing a retimer assembly. Remove the top cover. Remove the 2.5-inch drive cage assembly. Remove the network adapters. Remove the front I/O expansion board. Remove the fan cage. Unfasten the 4 screws that secure the crossbar to the chassis. Lift the crossbar out of the chassis. Disconnect the 4 cold plate pump cables from the retimer assembly. Pull the SXM GPU board latch outward to disconnect it from the retimer assembly. Disconnect the retimer power cable from the system board and remove it from the cable clip. Push down the SXM GPU board handle and clips so that they are away from the retimer assembly. Lift up the retimer assembly and remove it from the chassis.